Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove audio from video on Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Clipchamp, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, brand kit, templates, and here you're gonna find the folders. And right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you're going to find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. Once you click on create a new video, you're going to be right here. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, first of all, you need to add your video. In order to be able to do that, just go ahead and click on Import Media. Once you click on Import Media, you can browse in your computer and search for the video that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one. Once you add the video, if you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on the plus icon or simply drag it like this. Once you drag your video to the timeline, go ahead and make sure your video is selected right here. And then once you do that, just go here to the right, and then you're going to find audio. If you click on it right here, you can adjust the volume of the audio. And if you want to remove the audio, just go ahead and click on detach audio. Once you click on detach audio, just go ahead and click on the audio right here in the timeline. And then once you do that, just go ahead and click on delete on your keyboard. And as you can see guys, right now the audio is removed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.